Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you what are the main difference between count A and count blank functions in Excel and how to use them. Okay, let's start now. You see, in this table I have 10 different records and different columns. So first, let me explain where to use count function. If you want to count number of entries in the selected range, okay, for example, if I selected like this, okay, I selected all the records. Now if you want to count number of entries in the selected range, use count function in Excel. Let me show you how to use count function. Okay, so you know Excel function starts with equal sign, so put equals. Now type count, open bracket. Now here I'm going to select the entire range. Okay, so entire range. Now close the bracket. So this is the syntax: equals, use the predefined function count, open bracket. Now select the range, then close the bracket. Now press enter. So here I'm getting 0. So let me explain you why here I'm getting 0. So before you select, first, before you use the function, check the data type, whether the data is in text format, number format or date format. If the data is in text format, use count A. Okay guys, it's very simple. Let me explain. If the data is in text format, okay, or number format or date format, use count A. If the data is in date and number, use count. Clear? Count means if the data is number or date, count A for text, number and date. Okay, so now here the selected data in text format, so here use count A. Let me show you how to use count A. So equals count A, open bracket. Now select the entire range. Now close the bracket. You see, let me explain this again. Equal count A, open bracket, select the entire range, close the bracket. Now press enter. Here I'm getting the total entries 10 in the selected range. Okay, because here my data is in text format, so here I used count A. So let me use count now. So count. So here I'm selecting the data number format, postal code number format. So open. So now I will get here 10. I hope now you are clear with count A. So simply understand like this: if the data in the text format, use count A. If the data is in number format, use count. If the data is in date format, you can use either count or count A. Okay, note that count and count A, it will always keep the blank cells in the selected range. Okay, so there is another function to count number of blank cells in the selected range. Okay, so you see in this table, in this column there are 2 blank cells. So if you want to count by using Excel function, then use the predefined function count blank, open bracket. Now select the range, open bracket, enter. So here I'm getting 2 because in this column there are only 2 blank cells. I hope now you know the difference between count A, count blank. If you still have any doubts, then you can text me. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.